discussing about our topic, I want to tell you that I am very happy that we had almost reached to 250 views, and thank you for that. But I am not happy for one thing, that is we had only 11 subscribers
Music.
in my YouTube channel. But we will really progress, and by making continuously videos I will surely tell that please support me, and if you understand really very nicely this channel is very nice for you, then share these videos to your relatives or your friends so that they can also understand about the studies. And I think the study is very important for everyone. Of course, speaking English is a very nice language which helps you when you are traveling out of the country. So I think study is very nice. You should study and make others study too. So subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you share these videos to your friends and relatives. If you like my videos, of course don't forget to like and press the bell icon to receive all the notification of the videos. If you have not pressed the bell icon till now, then press it fastly, because अगर आप प्रेस नहीं करोगे तो आपको मेरा नोटिफिकेशन कैसे मिलेंगे? तो go and check out. So let's go to our topic. So we had talked about the water pollution, the land pollution, and today we are on the another type of pollution, that is air pollution. So you are thinking that how many pollutions are there, but it is not. There are really pollutions. I had told you that there are mainly three types of pollutions, which are water, air and land, which I had told you right now. It is completed approximately. And one more pollution I would like to tell you in my further videos, that is noise pollution, because it is also an important type which is spreading nowadays. Before that, let's come to our air pollution topic. So just like water, the water is spreading, just like that this air pollution has also become a major concern in the world. 1 minute. This air pollution has become a major concern in the world. Industries have developed in every cities, in most of the villages also. The smoke and gases emitted by the industries mix with the air. That's what I told here also. Mixed with the air and causes air pollution. So definition is also given here, and I told you obviously that definition you should revise, because it is very important. Even though in science, social, in everything it is important, so you should revise. In my previous video also, there I had asked the questions, which are every question is according to the definition only, so you should understand it very well. Today the use of mineral oils has increased tremendously. So what I am telling, that the vehicles running on fossil fuels like petrol and diesel emit smoke and harmful gases. Like, now I had included in the definition one more thing, that was mixed with the air and harmful gases, which is coming in the paragraph onwards. So what I am trying to do, that I am making a definition very easy, which is given in your books. In your books it may be given in the one paragraph, right? It is given in one or two paragraphs, but I mix all the points and make easy definition for you. So that's what I am reading a paragraph, right? I am reading a paragraph and I am trying to tell you that all things are included in this paragraph only. So no need to write the whole paragraph, no need to learn all paragraph. Just learn the important points which are given in that. Harmful gases, like which harmful gases? So nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, which merge with the air and proportion in air increased. The proportion of CO2 has increased due to the cutting of trees. The most important, now also I am telling, cutting of trees has become the most important thing nowadays. Just you should grow like this. The trees are so beautiful. I don't know why. Okay, so cutting off trees has become a most strength and we have to stop that. CO2 when increased, then it creates the problem of global warming also. Deforestation is another reason behind this increase of air pollution. So let's read the definition which I had given, that the pollutants, now which dust particles, harmful gases, dust particles, poisonous gases, smoke, etc. etc. means many other, right? Spread in the atmosphere mixed with the air is called air pollution. Is called means it makes, due to this all things, it causes the only thing which is air pollution. Now what does air pollution means? It make. So what is the thing which makes when it is added? It means I want to tell that when it is mixed with the air, then causes air pollution. So when it is caused already air pollution, so what it causes? Sorry, I'm just mingled in everything. I want to tell that air pollution causes which diseases in the human beings, that are asthma, breathing problems, lung infection, etc. These are the diseases caused by the air pollution. What is acid rain? Do you remember? Yeah, I think you all remember. Acid rain we had learned already in the water pollution topic, that harmful gases like released with the factories and goes and move in the atmosphere, which when fall as a rain, which is called acid rain. So it is very harmful for the animals and vegetation. So what we should do to prevent air pollution? Do you want to know it? Then keep watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to receive the next information that is given in the next video going to be. Press the bell icon to receive all the notification. And if you like this video, press the like button. That's for today. I hope you liked my videos.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.